Welcome back to Loose Vintage RC. So as you guys can tell, we got the RC10T out with the mood livery here. I'm super stoked. I'm so happy we're able to finally get to this thing and do a run video. Now, if you guys have been following Luke's Vintage RC, you know I like to do a run video in just about every video I do. I'm impatient like that. I don't want to have to wait for a run video. So I try to give you guys that in each video. Sometimes things happen that it doesn't allow me to do that. And this was one of those times about 7 months ago, actually, where Acer Racing wasn't able to get me my ceramic ball bearings for this truck. They tried, but they could not get them to me in time. So I had to wait for them. At that time, we were already started building other projects and getting other things done. And once we're on that roller coaster of project after project, by the time these came in, I had to install them, had to find time to take all the bearings out of this truck to put those in here. I didn't want to run it just, with anything. I wanted to have ceramics in here. So we're able to do it, but it took a while, unfortunately. But I promise you, I make up for it in the video. You get to see it at the beach, and you get to see it on the asphalt, so you get to kind of see both things. And for those hard edge collectors say, what are you doing running this thing at the beach? I promise you, nothing was harmed, injured in any way, nor was this beautiful body done up by my buddy Nick over at NC Designs. Killed it. So he also did the paint work on one of my World's cars in our last video, the Brian Kinwald. That turned out beautiful. So thanks to Mr. Nick again for knocking it out of the park. This thing is beautiful. Now you can get the Clifflet variant of this truck now that just recently came out, and it gives you the move decals, the stickers. But these are not stickers. This is all paint work by my man. So he killed it. But that's not take anything away from that truck. That truck's beautiful. It even gives you the red chassis, all the goodies. And we might even get one of those on the channel eventually. I don't know. But I'm not in no rush for another RC10 other than the Masami that is coming to the channel. But we won't be able to restore that one anytime soon because we got other projects to do. Speaking of, if you guys want to see these projects, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. It would mean everything. What you guys is subscribing to me allows my content to reach other individuals out there in the world of art that are interested in the world of RC, and in turn brings more revenue to the channel. With that revenue, I'm able to put the money back into the channel and develop it even more and make it even more exciting and bring out more exciting builds to you guys. Talking about some exciting builds, Kyosho USA 1 Vintage. We do have the body and all the goodies to restore that one now. So that will be coming to the channel soon. We have the JRX2 by Team Lowstein. Got all the goodies ready for that. So that will be coming to the channel very soon. We've got the Meteor right here, a little British company. And that's going to be coming soon to the channel. We also have another RC10 Graphite that we will be bringing to the channel. That's why I can't do the Masami just yet. So it all gets done. I promise you we'll all get these cool cars on the channel. There's Traxxas Bullet I have to bring to the channel. We still are waiting for the Samurai to get done. So there's lots of RCs. Maru Samurai, those who are wondering, what are you talking about? Samurai, it's a Maru Samurai RC car. So there's tons of other ones coming. There's some road cars, HBRS4 Pros. There's all kinds of good stuff. I promise you, you're not going to want to miss anything. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let me show you inside the time here. That's how she looks. We have a 12-turn 550 motor in here. We've got our 1060 ESC. We've got our MG996R servo and a little 2-channel fly sky that I use in pretty much all my builds. I love running that thing. And we got a little decal in that 550 motor. Yep, 550 in here. So plenty powerful. We even bought a little carbon fiber battery brace. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was literally hardly anything. I do have a little carbon fiber plate for the transmission here that will be coming. I think that's pretty much it. We got our ceramic ball bearings in this thing. This truck is ready to rock and roll. So without further ado, let's go ahead and go straight to the run. It's going to start right now. Alrighty guys, so we got our ceramic ball bearings for our RC10T. Here they are from Acer Racing. So super pumped up and excited about that. So let's go ahead and get started popping the ball bearings in this bad boy, pulling out the bushings, and see how she performs. We're at 0. Let's see what she does. Whoa. Let's see what we got. What do we get? 24.4. All right, let's go ahead and get a little run review. All right, maybe let's hit a jump or two. Nice. All right, now we're gonna run it. It's a little windy, so we'll just do our best. Here we go. Now I'm not gonna run this one too much into the sand and all that stuff because it's got ceramic bearings in it. I don't wanna mess nothing up, but I figured we'd get a little beach run for the summer. Alrighty, my friends, that's gonna be a wrap on this bad boy. I think she turned out awesome. She runs amazing, nearly 25 miles an hour. Nothing to sneeze at. So, a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you can, please hit the like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. I promise you're not gonna wanna miss what's coming up next. Alright, guys, take care. Bye.